So let's go, buddy. We have to go. We have to go. Come on. Oh my God, Ishan, what is this?
This is the Beauty and the Beast.
This is the Beauty and the Beast. The Beauty and the Beast. Whatever. Anyway, see, I was walking out and something happened. This is a Rexel shredder that is lying here. Huh? What shredder? Rexel shredder. Yes. And this is Mr. Hafiz. He's a technician, very capable guy. Alhamdulillah, mashallah. And I was walking out and Zishan, just was standing here staring at this. So I would like to ask, what made you so inquisitive about this? What is this? What is going on? What is Hafiz?
Basically, what I came to know is that Hafiz brought this shredder to the office from a company. Apparently, their shredder had jammed because they had inserted too many papers in the shredder, and then Hafiz would tell us what went wrong after that and how is he correcting it and how is he going to fix the shredder.
Yes, sir.
See, hi. When I opened the shredder, so I found this one from the shredder. This was jam packed. The paper was not gone inside. So you can see these are big stapler pins. So we found it from the inside. We remove it. Now it's all dust. We will clear the dust also, and some of the parts needs to be oiled. We will give him a
What
oil
is that?
also.
This is the roller?
Yeah, this is the roller and chain, and this is a motor for which will be
Used
connected.
to-
Yeah, which will be connected with that whole the gear system of the shredder.
Okay.
And these are the blades which will cut when we put in the paper from here to the roller can be shredded.
This
these
is blade?
papers. Yeah, these are the
It
blades.
can cut your fingers too?
If I put it here, then obviously.
No, I mean it's blade. I
So,
shave
yeah.
with this. I shave with this.
So
blade.
basically,
From here, it's not
as you
going
can see, DubaiMachines.com is not just about buying stuff online. It's about also repairing and making your items live.
like an old person like me, when I enter here, I become new. The way machine is like that. So a big shredder coming in, and it will go out as a brand new shredder, like I am, and Mr. Zishan and Mr. Hafiz are brand new technician, and behind the camera, Mr. Adnan Bab.
Hi.
Okay, guys.
So if you guys need a shredder repair, you can always call us. We don't charge a leg and an arm, So I said it the other way around, an arm and a leg. So we charge very competitive rates for repairing shredders, and you can always contact us for any kind of repairs, shredder repairs, projector repairs, laminator repairs, paper cutter repairs, etc. So see you on this other side.
Other side, Martin Soul Repair. Bye bye.